Food and drinks for your diet. Top 18 must-have and 3 to avoid looking to shed some extra pounds. Incorporating fat-burning foods and drinks into your diet can help you achieve your goals. 1. Citrus fruits, such as oranges and lemons, are high in vitamin C and can kickstart your metabolism. 2. Walnuts are a great source of healthy fats and can help control hunger cravings. 3. Popcorn, when air-popped and without added butter, is a low-calorie snack that provides fiber. 4. Berries, like blueberries and strawberries, are packed with antioxidants and can enhance fat loss. 5. Whole grains, like brown rice and quinoa, are rich in fiber and promote satiety. 6. Avocados are a good source of healthy fats and help keep you feeling full. 7. Adding pepper to your meals can increase calorie burning. 8. Salmon is high in omega-3 fatty acids and can boost metabolism. 9. Cinnamon has metabolism boosting properties and can regulate blood sugar levels. 10. Apples and pears are high in fiber, aiding digestion and promoting fullness. 11. Chicken is a lean protein that helps build muscle and increase metabolism. Make sure that you baked, not fried, with too much oil. 12. Spinach is low in calories and high in nutrients. 13. Whey protein can aid in muscle recovery and increase fat burning. 14. Eggs are rich in protein and keep you feeling satisfied. 15. Milk contains calcium, which can boost metabolism. It is recommended to have 1 glass per day. 16. Beans are high in protein and fiber. 17. Purple/sweet potatoes are packed with fiber and vitamins. 18. Mustard can increase your metabolic rate. On the other hand, it's important to avoid sugary drinks, alcohol, and fast food as they contribute to weight gain. Incorporating these fat-burning foods and drinks into your diet can help you achieve your weight loss goals and improve your overall health.